Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the beginner friendly gel nail extension tutorial step by step. So let's get started. First, I am sanitizing both my hands and my client's hand to keep everything clean and hygienic. Then I am cutting and filing the natural nails to make them even and making them ready for gel nail extension process. Next, I am applying cuticle softener to soften the dead skin around the nails. After that, using a cuticle pusher, I gently push back the cuticles and trim the dead skin carefully with a cuticle cutter. Now, I am lightly filing the natural nails to remove the signs so the products can adhere properly. Next step is measuring the nail tips according to each nail size. Once I find the perfect fit, I apply the nail tip with glue and hold them for at least 15 seconds to secure them properly. After that, I cut the tips to my client's desired length and shape the nails according to her preference. Then, I am filing the shining part of the nail tips so that the gel sticks better. After prepping the nails, I am applying primer to help prevent lifting and improve retention. Now it's time for base coat. I am applying a thin layer of base coat and curing it for 60 seconds. Next, I am using the builder gel to build the nail structure in a smooth rounded shape, curing each finger for 60 seconds. Once everything is cured, I wipe the sticky layer using cleanser. Now I am refining the shape using a nail filer and driller machine to get a cleaner and thinner finish. Then I buff the nails to smooth out the surface. Next comes the color application. I am applying the first layer of gel polish and curing it for at least 30 seconds. Then going it with the second layer for a more clear and even finish. I do cure for 60 seconds. And for the fun part, the nail art, I'm creating the design based on my client's inspiration picture. To finish everything off, I am applying top coat and curing it for at least 120 seconds for that glossy shine. Lastly, I am applying cuticle oil for the hydration and a healthy finishing look. And here is the final gel nail extension set. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.